So dito para siyang number series, di ba? So tignan natin yung pattern. 4, 8, 12. So magkaka-idea kayo dito, ito ay 16. Tama? 4, 8, 12. So 16 yung next, no? Skip counting. Next, times 2 divided by 2 times 2. So syempre ito ay divided by 2. Tama? Next, divided by 4 times 4 divided by 4 times 4. So, ganito yung ating expression sa last. Agree? So, simplify natin again, division and multiplication. So, isa-solve natin from left to right. 16 divided by 2, that is 8, times 4, that is 32. Tama? 16 divided by 2, that is 8, times 4, 32. So, letter A. Letter A yung sagot. Okay? Yan, letter A. Parang walang nakakuha. Kamusta? Nakuha ba nung iba? Meron naman, no? Meron naman. Yan. Very good. Yan. So, nakukuha ba kung paano mag-solve? Guys, sa mga nakakuha, pakishare ng ating live stream, ha? Kumbaga, natuto kayo eh. Ayan. So, 16, 4, 32. Ito rin, 32 yung sagot. Tama, Sir Florian. Sinolve niya isa-isa, no? So, pwede rin namang hindi isolve isa-isa. Pwede rin yun namang isolve lahat. Alright, so next, number 6. Number 6.